Today on Bobby Learns, we're going to be headed back to Unity. I am looking at creating a room, and the room is going to have different lighting sources, and I want to make sure that I can get the lighting the way that I want. Some of the times when I've tried to do lighting before, I've had issues with the sun not lighting things the way I want, light source, a point of light. So in-game this would be something like a light bulb not acting the way that I want, and that the ambient lighting is not what I want. What I'm imagining is I create a room, it has a window, and it also has a point of light. The room is divided in two, and in one half of the room it can't see the window or the light source. And I want to make sure that I can still see things in the darkened side of the room, and that the rest of the room is lit the way that I would expect it to be lit, with a window and a light source. Slightly different today. I'm using my external webcam rather than the built-in laptop webcam, and I'm just trying to see how that goes. I have a slightly different aspect ratio as well. This webcam is going to let me do a little bit more fine-tuning on things like color balance, white balance, things like that I wasn't able to do with my built-in webcam. All right, let's get started. And today's 2-liter takedown is Diet Dr. Bob. So, if you've got your own drink, feel free to take a sip with me. All right, I am out of time. I was unable to do the kinds of things that I wanted to do in the default 3D environment. I needed to create a project that is called an HDRP. It is, so when you create a new project, you want to select high definition RP and then create your project. I don't know yet if I can move things from the 3D to the high definition RP yet or not. I assume that I can. I'd like to see some of my landscapes in this high definition RP instead of the default 3D. As you can see, it looks great. It looks very professional. Like the spotlight here is actually right from template here, and I used their template sun and I imported my room here that I had designed in the normal 3D. So you can definitely move assets into it from the original 3D. I'm excited about this. This is looking just so much better than the default 3D. Like, it just looks so classy. Like, look at that wood. Ugh. It's just so good, you know? It really looks like a three-dimensional game. Like, what I was getting before was just so blocky and blah. Like, this is the richness that I want. So I'm happy to have found it. All right, until next time. Two-liter takedown complete. So I made myself just a little bit bigger in the aspect ratio. It was kind of, when I was watching during the editing, I saw that my head would get cut off. And this is also going to give more of my hands when I'm doing my hand motions. I like the webcam. I'm probably going to keep using that instead of the default. Here, let's take a look at both at the same time. See what that looks like. Oops, not that one. All right, there. So, camera 1, camera 2. Camera 1, camera 2. All right, see you tomorrow.